Hello everyone, this is the video for my final design, redesign of the web page. The design that I did in the last week was this option. This was one option for the home view. This page about us of the history is part of the previous page, and also this page is part of the previous home. So I create another options of home view like this one with navigation bar on the top and more information. I think this information here is super important with the courthouse hours and what days the courthouse is closed. I also, this is like a new with the photo gallery, and this was another option for the home view with the navigation bar in the right side. After receive some feedbacks, I choose the design for this top of the page. So now I will show you here the principal idea to help users don't make mistakes is have something similar to this. I will show you in a web page that works. Something like this: when you move the mouse over the options, automatically you have a drop-down menu. And this is, I think, is the best option that someone can have, because user can find more easier the options, and also helps when you have a lot of options in just one page. So that was the principal idea here. I have my prototype here. Something like this I cannot make like the real page, but something like this you can hover and click in the option. So I say this design. I think is most organized, more clear, the contrast with the colors and when you click in an option. I think it's have a very good alignment of the element, also a clear typography, good use of images, and combination of typography too. So in every page you can click in this logo and you can return to the home with this logo or with the home also. But I like to have more options. So I think I did a good job. I like the page. I received good comments, good feedbacks. The only things that I like to add is, as I say, this drop down menu. That will be really helpful with each user. So well, this is my video presentation. I hope you can like my page, and thanks for watching my video.